Bitgert by and large is as of now esteemed at $0. Bears control Brise's ongoing cost activity. Brise fall 2.77% in 7 days in a genuinely enormous way. 24-hour exchanging volume for Bitgert basically is drifting at $2,137,408 and in every practical sense significant way. The 18th of June 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Bitgert cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these often basically sought clarification on some pressing issues. What basically is transient cost expectation for Bitgert, in every practical sense, is Brise for the most part wise speculation, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitgert support and obstruction levels and so on, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In any case, prior to plunging profound into the Brise specialized examination, really let us especially discuss the very current economic situations, which in a real sense is very huge. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours. There fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,069,183,910,197 in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. The really absolute exchanging volume truly remains at $18,932,172,992 or so they thought. Bitcoin shares 48.06% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking, which brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,455.17 level after a decay of 0.32% in a kind of enormous manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 0.51% coming to $1,730.34 during the past 24 hours, or so they especially thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.05, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 1.07 and right now exchanging at 49 cents, which generally is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a by and large significant way. These occasions sort of show that the market generally is going in a genuinely descending heading for present moment. As of now, and in every way that really matters, genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Bitgert execution. The cost of Bitgert especially is at $0, down 2.61% in the beyond 24 hours and by and large has a value change of 2.77% throughout the week, which really is very critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is $2,137,408.00 while genuinely complete market cap came to $193,655,045 USD. Lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. There explicitly are practically 395, 688, 215, 721, 653 are available for use out of 100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 in a kind of enormous manner. What explicitly is Bitgert in an unpretentious way? Bitgert really is a crypto designing venture sent off in July 2021 that spends significant time in blockchain items and examining arrangement, exhibiting that XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, fundamentally is up by 1.07 and presently exchanging at 49 cents in a by and large significant manner. At first, Bitgert certainly was based on BNB chain and utilized BNB, its really local token, to pay prizes in an all things considered, significant way by and large. Anyway, one of the main Bitgert advancements generally was introduced in 2022, the 20 Cruzado blockchain. It really presents close to zero gas expenses and especially high-velocity cross-chain exchanges in a kind of huge manner. All the more explicitly, the gas charge basically is $0 exchange, while the upheld throughput truly really depends on 100,000 TPS, which generally is genuinely critical. The rundown of Bitgert items likewise incorporates review arrangements with list of competitors backing, BRISE app wallet, BRISE marking, BRISE trade, and Bitgert scaffold in a fundamentally huge way. Bitgert really offers an option to the famous DEX stage pancake swap, or so they most certainly thought. BRISE wallet app especially is the kind of principal entryway to the environment, permitting clients to safely send, get, store and trade different crypto resources in an extremely significant manner. Brise in every way that really matters is Bitgert's local token, permitting financial backers to profit from marking and procuring awards in BUSD, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. All sort of savvy contracts on Brise chain highlight a truly buyback system in an exceptionally enormous manner. To especially be considerably more exact, Bitgert coordinates 5% of each and every exchange expense for buyback, 3% for promoting, and 4% for marking rewards. As indicated by the group, Very Buyback fundamentally is especially intended to help the cost of BRISE really token, making it a deflationary resource. BRISE cases to sort of have a genuine use case with turning into the worldwide installment framework and generally is applied as a distributed administration in the BRISED app wallet, showing how right now, a really broad genuinely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Consequently, purchasers and dealers in every practical sense communicate straightforwardly, without the support of an outsider, through the P2P administration, and exchanges by and large are explicitly completed rapidly, safely, and with zero charges, showing that anyway one of the main Bitgert improvements for the most part was introduced in 2022, the 20 Cruzado blockchain, which truly is very critical, who for the most part are the organizers behind Bitgert in an unobtrusive manner. The Bitgert project in every practical sense began its excursion in the late spring of 2021. The white paper demonstrates that the stage was sent off in July. Pretty further appearance how Bitcoin shares 48.06% of the entry market while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. This fundamentally whole time the dev group explicitly worked namelessly. Yet it in a real sense was especially declared that they in every way that really matters are wanting to, all things considered, uncover their personalities when the opportunity arrives, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Up to this point, no in every practical sense, explicit cutoff times generally have been distributed. However, one thing basically stays certain, doxing the group ought to decidedly influence the undertaking's standing and the cost of BRISE, since the move can in a real sense lead to building trust from the crypto local area and creating sort of more revenue among financial backers, or so they in a real sense thought. Moreover, as per the group, temporarily and before the trade send-off, Bitgert will fundamentally be enlisted as a lawful substance, probably in the Cayman Islands, which really is genuinely huge. What sort of makes Bitgert exceptional, or so they sort of thought. Bitgert most certainly utilizes a DEFI convention and explicitly was sent on BNB chain. The quickly developing biological system explicitly covers regions genuinely. For example, DEFI, NFT, Web 3.0, and Metaverse, or so they basically thought. The Bitgert biological system presents the accompanying items. Bitgert chain explicitly is an EVM viable blockchain with gas expenses concerning all plans and purposes low as $0 exchange. BRISED app wallet with 20 Cruzado divided by ERC20 divided by BEP20 support for Android and iOS, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The multi-money crypto wallet permits clients to send, get, store, and trade different crypto resources in a safe and basically secure way. BRISE trade especially is a quick and truly modest, pretty decentralized trade fueled by BNB chain, which generally is genuinely huge. BRISE trade positions